Breaking: Supreme Court just responded to Trump's travel ban. Millions are shocked. If you listen to the media's bumbling coverage of Trump's travel ban, you'll realize that they are just hoping the Supreme Court will ignore it. Like it will eventually just go away. But the Supreme Court has done just the opposite. Not only are they dealing with President Trump's case, they have sped up their proceedings to hear the case faster. Via Breitbart, clearly, the Supreme Court is not content, like the media, to just pretend that terrorism, immigration, and border security are not important issues. The court realizes that, for some Americans, this issue will be one of life and death. When will the next terrorist attack occur? It also looks like the court may understand President Trump's true motivation: protecting Americans. The justice's statement said of the executive orders, text and operation are religion neutral. This suggests they may not see the order as religious discrimination, even though liberals desperately want to paint the order that way. Via New York Times, the statement also seemed to imply a respect for the president's authority over disallowing groups of people from entering the country, which, by law, he can do for any reason. Normally, plaintiffs would have until July 3 to provide their response to the Department of Justice's appeals to the Supreme Court. In this case, the ACLU is representing the plaintiffs, a group of activists and immigrants standing against the travel ban. Now, the Supreme Court has ordered the plaintiffs to have their response ready before summer recess, June 12. This could mean the Supreme Court could have a decision ready by the end of this year. If the court kept the schedule as is, the justices would not be able to make a decision until mid-2018. It's so refreshing to see the Supreme Court ignore the many suggestions from liberals to simply not hear the case. For people who believe in big government, liberals are idly fine with our politicians and judges sitting on their behinds, doing nothing. At least when it comes to the newest justice, Neil M. Gorsuch, work ethic and respect for the law are a high priority on the bench again. The travel ban will be resolved sooner than anyone thought possible, and I remain very optimistic that the Supreme Court will recognize that this ban is lawful and needed.